And the fact of the matter is, when horses are on their own time, we are very picky whenever they are with us and they're on our time. From the time that we have them in the halter to the time we take them off the halter, we're very picky about the order of go, that we're in charge, that we're dictating everything that's happening. But when we put them out with other horses, that's their time to be a horse. So if you have your horse and you love your horse, you have to be okay with, if you put them out with new horses, the animal kingdom is going to happen. Horses are going to be horses. Whenever you turn a horse out with a new horse, the first thing they're going to do is they're going to come up and smell each other. Then they're going to take off running, bucking, and kicking. And oh, how cute, they're making friends. They are not making friends. They are deciding who's on top of the totem pole. And whether that takes 2 minutes or 2 hours or 2 days, they're going to keep the squabbling up until they have a pecking order.